Hey everyone! Welcome to our quick guide on diagram collaboration. First up, we have simultaneous multi-user editing. This feature allows multiple users to view and edit diagrams at the same time without overwriting each other's work. Plus, each user gets their own avatar, making it easy to see who's doing what. Another great feature is drop pin commenting. You can leave comments anywhere on the diagram to highlight specific questions or share your thoughts. Next, let's talk about real-time chat. You can communicate while working by clicking the chat icon next to user avatars. This lets you discuss ideas and changes right in the platform, no need to switch to another app. Finally, keep your team updated with status updates. You can adjust the diagram status to reflect the current stage of your project. For more details, be sure to check out our article on diagram statuses. That's a quick overview of how to collaborate using Slickplan's Diagram Maker. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.